Crack NEET and JEE in first attempt with India's most trusted platform, K-Square Career Institute. Download our app now.
Hello everyone, let's read the question. Which of the following statement is or are correct? True for T for true and F for false. Okay, so let's read the statements. Hybrid orbitals form a stronger bond than the pure atomic orbitals. Okay, so basically आपके पास में जब भी हाइब्रिडाइजेशन हो रहा होगा, हाइब्रिडाइजेशन allows better overlap. Okay, better overlap for stronger bonds. So statement A is true. Then in canonical structure there is a difference in the arrangement of atoms. Okay, in canonical basically आपके पास में यहाँ पे बोल रहा है डिफरेंट होगा, बट बेसिकली जब भी आपके पास में कैनोनिकल या फिर कैनोनिकल को हम लोग रेजोनेंस भी बोल सकते हैं, रेजोनेंस स्ट्रक्चर differ only in electron positions. Okay, not in atoms arrangement. Okay, so B is false. Then symmetrical molecule always contains same bond angle. Yes, symmetry does not guarantee identical bonds in all case. ठीक है, सो ये भी क्या हो जाएगा आपके पास में रॉन्ग हो जाएगा. Symmetry does not guarantee identical bond angles in all cases. Okay, so C is also false. Vesper theory can explain the square planar geometry of XeO4. Yes, because it's follow AX4E2. okay, स्क्वायर प्लेनर ज्योमेट्री को ये क्या करेगा, एक्सप्लेन करेगा. सो इट इज ट्रू. ट्रू, फॉल्स, फॉल्स, ट्रू. ओके, so the correct answer for this question will be option number A.